Today we are here going to do a main break simulation, and here we have the two contestants that's going to be doing this elimination. Brittany Hill and Lindsay Birkenfield. Here, 1, 2, and go! Look at them. Go, 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 ladies, go! Catherine, explain what we're doing here.
It's just a simulation in great conditions because you're in the grass, there's no mud, not in a hole in the middle of the night. It's not icy, snowing, raining.
Uh-oh, look at Lindsay. Lindsay, I think almost has this. Oh, Brittany's right behind her. Winner of the 2024 main break simulation goes to Lindsay Birkenfield. Angie Harris signing off.